Recipe for shining a little light on middle school next year. Kindness cake pops. Mix kindness flour with a scoop of caring cocoa powder. Add empathy, sugar, and 1 cup of shine a little light oil. Add mitzvah milk, stir in the happiness and bake. Finally, take the cake pops and coat them in kindness chocolate. You can share these with anyone you meet, and they know what kind of person you are. Hope you enjoy.
Hi, I'm Sonia, and this is my special chocolate chip cookie recipe for shining a little light in middle school. You'll need 3/4 cups of kindness. Add lots of care and plenty of sweetness. Don't forget to include a few tablespoons of Smarts so you know when you will need to shine a little light. Give these cookies to everyone you meet so they can learn to shine a little light too.
Hi, I'm Ryan Cohen, and this is my chocolate cake recipe for shining a little light on middle school next year. This recipe is not only good for chocolate cake, but in any situation you may find yourself in. 1 dash of empathy, a sprinkle of courage, 1 heaping teaspoon of helpfulness, 5 cups of kindness, and then mix ingredients and show people who you really are, and in the end, you will light up someone's day.
Hi, I'm Maddie, and this is my kindness cookie recipe for shining a little light on middle school next year. In a bowl, add your knowledge with some others to make the world a brighter place. Spread empathy on top and let it shine. Enjoy these wonderful treats.
Hi, my name is Zafira, and this is my ice cream cake recipe for shining a little light on middle school next year. In a bowl, crush up lots of kosher Oreo-style cookies, and be sure to add more of the bright creamy white centers for this recipe. Add dabs of patience, empathy, and respect. Mix well so that every bite will have a bright taste. Sprinkle with kindness and share with everyone you meet.
When listening to others, I recommend that you add some respect to your mixture and just a little bit extra on top. With just 2 bites of this lovely creation, you will be on your way to appreciating other people's opinions and shining a light on their day. But if you want it to be perfect, just add a few drops of friendliness and a sprinkle of patience.
Hi, I'm Rom, and this is my cheesecake recipe for shining a little light on middle school next year. In a giant bowl, mix a cup of kindness, a pinch of empathy, and a huge helping of friendship. Add a teaspoon of respect and helpfulness. Bake. After it cools, sprinkle a coating of nice compliments on top. Serve and enjoy.
Bright light ravioli. These raviolis are filled with mitzvahs that will shine a little light in our world. And smiles, compliments, and empathy to a large bowl and mix well. These ingredients are really strong, so remember to add a lot so it spreads to everyone. Sprinkle the top with tzedakah to bring out the extra bright flavor.
Here's my recipe for friendship chicken nuggets. Leaving CJDS is hard, but this recipe will be sure to help you make friends. In a bowl, mix kindness eggs, friendship flour, Jewish pride, and courageous spices. Mix until blended together. Coat chicken in trustworthy oil, then roll and cover happiness chicken in the batter. Place in the air fryer for 20 minutes. Serve with ketchup and enjoy.
Recipe for shining a light on middle school next year. Bright smoothie. This recipe will create enough kindness for the world. In a blender, put 1 cup of kindness, 1 teaspoon of patience, 2 cups of kindness, and a handful of sweet fruit to light up the flavors. Add ice cubes. Blend. Now share your Jewish pride with everyone who drinks the smoothie.
Friendly cupcakes. To make friendly cupcakes, you'll need to start with quality ingredients. Mix 1/2 cup of friendship flour, 1 teaspoon of kindness salt, and 1 stick of courage butter. Mix the ingredients until love, laughter, and positivity come to the surface. These are sure to make a ton of friends in any setting. Share with a friend and enjoy success in middle school.
Hi, I'm Lily Ross, and this is my pizza recipe for shining a little light in middle school next year. 3 cups of happiness with 2 packages of patience.
Add 1 teaspoon of respect. Share plentiful amounts of empathy and kindness. Roll out your pizza dough and drizzle a bit of joyful pizza sauce. Sprinkle cherry mozzarella cheese on top and bake. This pizza is so large that you'll be able to share it with so many people. Eating pizza with friends is a great way to shine your light.
Today we're going to make Happiness Friend Toast. Happiness Friend Toast is a mix on the classic French toast. First, what you need to add to a bowl is a pinch of happiness, a dash of joy, a plop of kindness, and buckets of love. Coat your bread with the mixture, turning once, and poof, you have friend toast. Find a new friend to share this with and serve with a smile.
A big-hearted brownie mix. First, a sprinkle of friendly flour, a large helping of good hair days, a vanilla for sweetness, 1/3 cup of nice to remove any weakness you may encounter in middle school. These brownies will be the key to your success in middle school.
Grab a blender and add an ice cream. Pour 1 cup of growth mindset milk, dice up a compliment-filled chocolate bar, and add it to the blender. After blending, get ready to add your toppings. Squirt on your hard work whipped cream and top off with some courageous cookie crumbles. Enjoy!
Recipe for Shine a Little Light in middle school next year. Peanut butter cupcakes. 1 cup of good listening, 1 sprinkle of compassion and kindness. Add peanut butter to make the friendship stick. These ingredients mixed all together will make the best friendship peanut butter cupcakes in the world.
Good luck, my friends. I'll miss you all. Even though the note is small, I share it here for all to see. This is the gift made by me. I know you're scared to move on. It's okay. I'm not wrong. Moving on is the hardest part, but as they say, you'll be in my heart. No matter how we drift apart, you shall stay in my heart. So don't fret, my friend. It will be all right. For after tonight, we will go our separate ways. But make a promise, you to me, that you'll be in my heart, please. Even though I can't hug goodbye, someday we might meet. It will be fine. So goodbye, my friend. Goodbye from me.